Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install or update Google Meet, then sign into the Google account you'll use. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions when prompted so calls work without interruption. Make sure your iPad is on a reliable network. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi for stability. Now open the Meet app, tap Join with a code, or start a meeting. This first step gets you past setup quickly and places you right at the meeting controls to begin. Once in the app, choose whether to join with a code, use a calendar invite, or start a new meeting. You'll see preview controls. Tap the camera icon to switch front or back, pick background blur or replace if needed, and check microphone mute before joining. During the call, use touch gestures to rearrange participant tiles and pinch to zoom into a shared screen. Make sure to pin the speaker or present from iPad by tapping Present Now when you need to share content. To finish strong, present your screen by tapping Present and choose Screen or an app window. Stop presenting when done. If you need recording or live captions, enable them if you're the host or request permission. Confirm available storage and permissions first. If audio, video, or connection problems occur, try these fixes. Toggle the microphone or camera off and on, force close and reopen Meet, or switch to a different Wi-Fi or cellular network. If problems persist, reboot the iPad for a clean state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.